What exactly is a commonplace book? This is a question that is obviously on everyone's mind. A commonplace book is a notebook. Yes, it could be a regular Amazon Basics notebook, or it could be a fancy notebook. Unfortunately, I do not have a fancy notebook to show you today, but maybe soon. What's important to remember is that you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, meaning it isn't the notebook that makes a commonplace book a commonplace book. It's the contents. But let's get into the nitty-gritty of it, because I've got things that I want to say. Things some might even deem beyond belief. And maybe you're familiar with what a commonplace book is.
Or maybe you aren't.
But my goal is that the metaphor I'm using to communicate what a commonplace book is unique enough to teach everybody a thing or two. A single page in a commonplace book is a lot like a YouTube video, specifically this YouTube video. A single page in a commonplace book can function as an intersection for your interests. It's like a second brain that's exclusively dedicated to organizing the most interesting ideas you come across during your day, or many days. But that sounds boring. And commonplace books are supposed to be exciting. And that's why many, if not most, of the greatest minds throughout human history kept commonplace books. The idea is to use a single page of a commonplace book to tie as many interesting details together from as many different sources as you can possibly manage. And I'm comparing it to this YouTube video because I'm hoping it's a comparison that's more easily graspable than me posting a picture of a page in my commonplace book and you having to take the time to read it all to see how everything fits together so that you know what I mean. The idea is you can see how the paintings and the cuts, the writing, the edits overlap in a way that's similar to how a dozen quotes written on a single page can all be working towards some unified end. But anyways, you're a busy person. I understand this. I'm killing two birds with one stone here. Does that make me a genius? It does not. It just makes me a man who's dedicated to your education and entertainment. So each commonplace book page, indirectly or directly, depending on how much time you give to it, works to synthesize a variety of your interests from any number of mediums. Whether we're talking paintings or literature or little drawings, YouTube videos, TV shows, whatever. A commonplace book is the best tool we have at our disposal to clarify and sharpen our ideas. And after revisiting what we've written, to find the connections between the things that interest us. So, what is a commonplace book? It's a means of using our interests to improve our communication skills. And it's a means of organizing our interests so that we can put ourselves in a better position to achieve our long-term goals. For me personally, it's part of the reason why I think my writing and my communication skills have improved in recent years. So I obviously have strong feelings about writing in a commonplace book, which is to say what might already be obvious. A commonplace book is, if nothing else, a great and private social exercise. But I'm interested in hearing about your experience. If not with commonplace books, then with writing. So consider saying something to me in the comments, and I will say something back about commonplace books or writing. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for giving some of your time and attention to this channel. If anything at all interested you while you were watching, I ask that you please smash like, please slap sub, please leave genuine and soul-enriching comment in comment section down below. Thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time.